Today on PowerNation Daily, a group of ATVs and dirt bike riders take over Massachusetts in a wild, well, you'll see. John Force is off to a rough start this year with a fiery explosion. The Hellcat takes on the Demon in a quarter-mile challenge, and an Audi Wagon that's gonna make you look twice. All this happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. Hey guys, I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to like us on Facebook and go to our website at PowerNationTV.com. Check out all of our how-to and find out some stuff, well, that you can only find there. Now let's go with the show because we have a lot to talk about. Chaos broke out on I-93 in Massachusetts over the weekend when state troopers tried to round up some rowdy guys, dozens of people on dirt bikes and ATVs. What are these guys doing? Apparently having a lot of fun. A roadblock was set up, which resulted in, get this, 1 shooting, 3 injuries, and 7 arrests. They must be bored around there. After realizing they were blocked in, several riders decided to make a run for it. Those that were caught, well, they fought back, which is not very smart. There are a lot of cool places in the world to race your motorcycles and your UTVs and your ATVs, but let's be honest, on a highway in Massachusetts, that's just stupid. John Force has had a rough year so far in 2018. The 68-year-old legend, he's a legend, John Force, wrecked again in Arizona at the Arizona Nationals over the weekend, and this was a hard crash. After crossing the line, Force's engine exploded and blew off the body on his car. He lost control, hit the wall, the car behind him hit him, and then his chute got wrapped around his axle and the other car's axle, and it resulted in a shaky, bad ending. Luckily, John Force was conscious and communicating with safety personnel as they transported him to the hospital, but it's still not a good situation, and we want to wish John the best because he is a legend of the sport, and I'm sure he'll be back just as strong and probably winning races. It's a competition that's been talked about quite a bit recently, with the numbers for the 2018 Demon having just been released. The Demon takes on the Hellcat, and they're both completely stock. Both cars are impressive in their own right. The Demon puts out 840 horsepower, the Hellcat 707. Which one is your money on? Well, let's think about this for a second here. I'm guessing the Demon. Just gonna throw it out there. What do you think? Does anybody out there think the Hellcat's gonna beat him? Please let us know why. I'm curious what you gotta say. Every once in a while, you see something on the freeway that just doesn't make a whole lot of sense, and then you see this Audi, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Apparently, the owner really likes his RS4 Avant. He likes it so much that he decided to tow it behind him at all times. He made a trailer that looks identical to his car. It'll definitely make you look twice, and both times that you look, you're gonna ask yourself, why did he even do that? Sorry, dude. It's kind of weird. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Be sure to let us know what you want to see, and step on over to PowerNationTV.com for all the how-to that you can handle.